Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to update Liberty mobile banking application on your device. For that, first of all, launch App Store on your device. Now, tap on the searching icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then on the searching bar, search for Liberty Bank. Find the app labeled with Liberty Bank City and go through it. Here, if you see update button instead of open, then that means you need to update your application. In my case, I don't have update button since I'm using the latest version of this application. If you have the update button, then simply tap on it to update your application to the latest version. Once the update is done, you will see open button just like this. You just have to tap on it to launch your application. And that was it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.